Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike they arrived in the officers' mess of the Nigeria Police in Port Harcourt. The governor has come to commiserate with the police over the killing of 7 officers by perpetrators who disguised themselves as security personnel.
And so I felt that we have to come here and identify ourselves with you to let you know that what happens to you will feel it.
The last few weeks have witnessed the unjustified killings of 11 policemen in Rivers State, a period Governor Wike describes as dark for the state and country.
We must be united as a country. We must be united to fight for this country to be one. We cannot allow anybody to talk of secession. If you want to succeed, Rivers State is not part of it. And nobody can cow Rivers State to be part of it.
The governor has, on behalf of the state, offered support to the families of all the 11 deceased officers.
The government of Rivers State has decided for the 11 families, each of the families, Rivers State government will give them 20 million naira. No money can buy life. There's nothing we can do, but just to say we identify with them. That we fit for it because they have gone to protect us, and in course of doing their job, they die.
Responding, Rivers State Commissioner of Police, Ebuka Francis, says the command is touched by the gesture. He says the officers and men of the command will never shy away from protecting lives and property in the state, no matter the cost.
Your visit today, to say the least, is a moral booster. And my men have woken up and they are very, very happy to see you in their midst today.
A minute's silence was observed in honor of the fallen officers.